Hello guys, welcome. In this video, you will learn how to install Python in Windows. Also, you learn how to write and run the code after installation. At first, go to the browser. I am using Chrome. If you want to use any other browser, you can use. Okay. On Google search, simply type Python and press enter. Then you can see the Python official website link is visible. So click on it. You will reach the official website. Okay. Now click on download. After clicking on download, a current Python download path will be visible. Here it is 3.11.0. Okay, click on it. After clicking, download will be started. After downloading, click on exe file to start the setup. Guys, see here, installation setup has started. Okay, at first click on add python.exe to path. Okay, and customize installation. After clicking, it will show installation feature. Okay, first one is pip. Pip is used to install the Python packages. And next, IDLE is a Python's integrated development and learning environment. It is allowed programmer to easily write Python code just like cells. Okay, and rest keep as it is, and please click to next. Okay, here it is advanced options. Okay, let's click first option, install Python for all users. Okay, and here you can see that Python will get installed in program file. If you want to change, you can simply click on browse and you can change the directory. Okay, but default is fine, so click on next. Okay, then setup will be started. So guys, setup completed. Click on close. So guys, here you can see it is installed in C drive program file. Okay, here it is Python 3.11. Okay, so let's verify the installation. Open CMD and type the command. Open CMD and type the command Python space -- version and press enter. Here you can see it is successfully installed. Okay, now let's type another command pip space -- version. See, pip is also installed. Okay, now let's write and run first program. Okay, let's type py so that you can enter in Python shell and you can write the program. Okay, and press enter. Okay, now print something. Print, this is my first Python program, and press enter. Yeah, here you can see the output. Okay, now you can also use IDLE to run the Python program. Okay, so go to the start and type IDLE and open it. Right, let's print something in same way. Print, this is my first Python program, and press enter. Here you can see the output. Okay, now go to the file and click on save as. I'm saving to desktop. Okay, and give the name like first, and it will automatically pick up the extension .py. Okay, and click save. Okay, now you can see in desktop first.py file is saved in desktop. Okay, or if you want to create new file, simply go to file and click new file. Okay, and write something. Print created new file, okay, and run it. Okay, first it will ask to save, so you have to save somewhere. Similarly, you can put here second and save. Okay, now you can see that output, right? Here is the output, created new file. So in this video you learn how to install Python in Windows and also learn how to write and run the Python programming. Okay, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.